Hey guys, it's Ian the Tech Guy here with Victory Barbers. I'm just at the bus stop here. It's about 5:30 in the morning and we're on our way to the Premier Orlando show, so we'll see you soon. I'm Jeff. Hi Jeff, how are you?
Hi Ian, I'm doing great. How are you?
Plane riding time.
Oh yeah. That's right.
Orlando. Here we go. Time to get out all this rain.
Yep.
The sunshine.
We were the only ones in Zone 4.
We are the homeless people in the terminal.
Yes.
Apparently they put in Zone 4. Zone 1 is diamonds. Back of the bus. Zone 4 is like old penny.
Made it.
Oof. Long haul.
Have an Acura.
But here we are. Beautiful, sunny Orlando. Into Orlando, basically an entire plane load of people onto a device only 1/10 the size of the plane that you just got off to try and take you to get your baggage.
This is similar to Tokyo.
Yeah, except for I don't feel as tall.
That's probably your fault, Jeff.
Just enough to make it above.
It's hot as balls. It's sweaty. Sticky. The whole body feels like a sweaty taint. Yes. Thanks for the ride, Jeff.
You're very welcome, sir.
Oh yeah.
Door-to-door service.
Stop being so dramatic. Hey, what's up?
Good morning.
Nice of you to show up. Well, it's day one here, and this is the middle of Florida, so it is humid. Everything is sticking to me. And they don't have the AC in. They don't have AC. This is going to suck. Just a little bit.
So right now we are building some shelves, and somebody let me use power tools today.
So here we are at the Premier Orlando beauty show, one of the largest beauty shows in the US. And our little underdog brand has its own booth. And it's really interesting. If you look around this place, you'll see a whole bunch of kind of pop-up booths with a lot of LED lighting and stuff, and printed panels and aluminum things that look really shiny and slick. And then there's ours, which kind of looks like an old pickup truck.
Why would you put in so much effort though when you could just do something quicker?
And you know, honestly, like, the reason we built our barbershop in the first place with actual old materials and actual old stuff, old chairs and everything, is because there's like an emotional connection that you have to that kind of stuff. You know what I mean? It actually has a soul and it has like a real vibe to it. And we wanted to make sure that whatever we were doing out here wasn't just going to be like a cheap kind of photocopy of that. We wanted it to feel as real as our shop does. And so when we built all this stuff out of real wood and metal and rusted out bits and old boxes and stuff like that, we wanted to transport that actual experience from our shop to a trade show. What's so cool about it is to see not just the quality of the little booth that we built, but the unbelievable quality of people that come and teach on it. It's kind of amazing. I think quality just like attracts quality. That's all it is.
So we're pretty much done setting up the booth here. You know, what would you guys say? Is that a wrap?
Hey guys, one of the really exciting things about going around to a lot of these shows is a chance for me to connect with some of my really dear friends. It's kind of like seeing your friends from summer camp in a weird way. You know, people that you've gone through a lot of really neat experiences with. And one of my very favorite people in the industry, and I think probably one of the most influential barbers on the planet, standing right here, Rob Van Rietveld from Showroom Barbershop, which is honestly I think he's the granddaddy of it all right now. So
The granddaddy, thank you.
Yeah, not the daddy. I feel creepy calling you daddy because that's just no. So yeah, it's cool to see Rob and these guys. I'm actually going to go and be on stage as his model because there's a big thing that has been a misconception in this industry is that all the brands are really kind of fighting each other out and all hate each other and shit like that. And that's just not the case. Like all of us are really good friends and we all work together and support each other. Rob's been phenomenally supportive of my brand. They included me in their Project X video this year, which was absolutely one of the best times I've ever had in my life. And if you haven't bought that video yet, you really need to go out and do it. But also gives us a chance to kind of support each other and kind of get together and share ideas and share what's going on and stuff so that we can really build a stronger industry, which I think is what all of us are really trying to do.
Absolutely, that's the only way to build an industry, because if you're only focused on your own backyard, man, that's not it. You really got to combine forces, and I think it's pretty cool. We're neighbors, right? I mean, we are right back here with our stand. You know, there's a couple of key words, and that's, I mean, friendship. It's about the pillars, man. You cannot build a dream house without a good foundation, you know, and the foundation that I think we build our brands upon, you know, is education, it's friendship, and above all, love for what we're doing. That is the most important thing. I mean, we've been around a lot, and I'm just finding out, I'm getting back to doing haircuts, as many haircuts as possible, because, you know, that's the foundation of everything.
It's true, when you're out here doing this stuff, you don't get to cut hair as much or as frequently as you usually do, and so you start to crave it after a while, like a car, you know what I mean?
Yeah,
it's
man.
like you miss it, and it's the thing that you got into this for in the first place.
That is the whole thing. A lot of people might think that, you know, some people just start working only for their Instagram or only for their Facebook account. But I think that when you're in hair and you're truly passionate about what you're doing, I feel an urge to cut hair every once in a while. I know it sounds a little over the top, but I'm literally like, when I'm at home, but, well, I'm in a good position. I do not have only clients. I think of concepts in hair right now.
I think what's really cool is when we both started, we both had a significant style that we were doing, and we were basing our principles around those things, the way that we teach stuff. And it's now that you're right, now that we've kind of owned that, now that it's our own, we're looking outside of the box at like what's next. You know?
Oh, yeah, absolutely.
Because we've become really, really insulated doing the same thing over and over and over, and we want to see where's things headed. You know, because obviously things are headed. The classics will always be the classics and the foundation for everything. But sometimes it's fun to see how far you can push that.
Absolutely. I mean, hair is changing, industry is changing, the clients are changing, the whole barbering scene is changing again. So you got to be a part of it, you know, don't get stuck in your own little box.
Here we go.
Boom. Day one, which is more like
Just a nice
day 3. But that's all right. Today I'm hoping the air conditioning will be turned on so I don't turn into a big sweaty mess in front of everybody on Instagram.
Jeff, how are you feeling today?
Fantastic. I'm feeling like the air conditioning on, so everything is going to be amazing.
Awesome. That's a great attitude to have.
Your great attitude.
Do this thing.
So we're backstage right now for the Ruzel show, and of course I got to be part of Project X this year, where I worked with these guys, and they came and asked me to be a model, which is awesome because I am looking homeless as f. So we're gonna end up renovating me, and this man's gonna try and make me look handsome. He's basically trying to souse ear into me.
I'm going to try.
So.
I'm going to work really hard on this one.
Man with a beard looks like he just got off a horse, and he looks pretty now.
You will be riding a My Little Pony in no time. I hope you all recognize Matty Conrad, one of the best barbers in the world. In my opinion.
It's gonna be like that iconic picture of Elvis getting his hair cut by a fucking barber.
So, did you guys have fun? Everybody? Yeah. That's about you guys.
Because he is the biggest that you will ever. Don't let anybody tell you something else, because it's true.
It's true, it's so true.
You know, it's funny, we did Project X together, and then we went and did like Disneyland together and all these things, and then we just thought it would be really funny if in every interview that we ever did, we just talk smack about each other. So there'll be like one random interview, will be like, so are there any barbers you don't get along with? I'll be like, well, Lean, first of all, he's a dick.
Yeah, but he is a dick. So yeah, that's just relevant.
But also, if somebody asks a question and then just say, yeah. He's like a real
Yeah,
so who?
real.
Matty Conrad.
Unbelievable.
We were saying it like when they didn't really ask questions. They were like, so you work with the bass line? And we
He's
go,
a real
yeah.
big
Set in the bass line, and then we connect the hair. Matty Conrad is an that made interviews so much better.
Oh my God, way more
Just
fun.
rend them.
Because they always ask the same questions, and it's just like, how do you throw a wrench in this? Like, how do you really with people? And
Then
it's
like the one time he was so drunk, Matty, that
yes, that's
he
what
opened his hole and I just let go of the can and it disappeared.
But then he backfired.
he's a really big. No, I have a really big. Totally different story. Totally different story.
Thanks, buddy. That was great.
Yeah, good time.